Hi friends, welcome to Easy Learnings. Today our topic is intermediate first year MPC in the Maths 1A. Discuss about matrix. So first of all, what is matrix? So definition of matrix: an ordered rectangular array of elements is called a matrix. Okay. For example, we take A is equal to your matrix 1, 2, 3 and 3, 0, 1. Okay, 2 cross 3. Okay, it is a rectangular array. Okay, array of matrix. So it is called a matrix. This is called a matrix, and this 2 cross 3. It means, take another example to understand. Okay, so B is equal to 1, 2 and 1, 0. It is a matrix and it is a 2 cross 2. It means here 1 2 is a first one row and 1 0 is a another row. So here the 1 2 is a first row and 1 0 is a second row. So this is the row. Okay, and 1 1 is a column and 2 0 is a another column. So here 1 1 is the first column and 2 0 is the second column. So it is in 2 cross 2. M by N means row by row cross column. Okay, we 2 cross 2. Okay, so in this we have different types. Okay, types of matrix we have to discuss. Okay, let's go. Hi friends, welcome to Easy Learning. Today's our topic is matrix. Yes, chapter types from some important points. Types of matrix. So first one square matrix, second one diagonal matrix, and third one scalar matrix. Four unit or identity matrix. Fifth one null matrix. Sixth one row and column matrix. Seventh one triangular matrix, and eighth one rectangular matrix. So we have discussing about the types of matrix like this. Okay, so this all we have to discuss. Okay, let's discuss about it. Let's go. So in types of matrix we have to learn first is square matrix. So in square matrix definition, a matrix in which the number of rows equal to number of columns. So number of rows is equal to number of columns is equal to square matrix. So in order 1, here to example, here 1 cross 1. So here 2 is a square matrix of order 1. You will see in the order 2. So here 2 cross 2 means 2 to the 4. 4 numbers are will appear. So 1 minus 1 0 4. It is a square matrix. Okay, so number of rows is equal to number of columns are there. So n by n into n it is. So it is a square matrix of order 2. So we take in 3 cross 3. So here the 3 cross means 3 is a 9. So 9 numbers are either there. So 1 0 2 0 4 3 and 5 6 0 is a square matrix 3 cross 3. And here is a number of rows is equal to number of columns. So it is the order 3. This is a square matrix of order 3. Okay, so we all know the number of rows is equal to number of columns. This is the square matrix in mathematical application. Okay, means mathematics way. Okay, that's it. So second one, diagonal matrix. So in definition it is, if each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix equal to 0. So square matrix equal to 0, it is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, for example, you take a matrix 2 cross 2. You have to remember that is diagonal matrix means nothing but square matrix, but we see in the diagonal way. So here the 0 minus 1 is a diagonal. So it is called a diagonal matrix. So it 2 cross 2. Okay, see in another example here 3 cross 3. So here 3 0 0 and 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1. So here 3 minus 1 1 is a diagonal. So it is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, and these are example for diagonal matrix. So here diagonal matrix, so square matrix equal to 0. Okay, only diagonal we have. So in that way, to find a diagonal matrix. Okay, that's it. So here next one, third one, scalar matrix. In definition way, if each non-diagonal elements of a square matrix equal to 0 and all are equal to each other. So here this is also scalar matrix, also square matrix, and here the is 0 and all are equal, so each other. So for example, here 2 cross 2, take a matrix. Here 2 2 is a diagonal, so these are equal to each other. And we take another 2 cross 2, here 0 0 0, and here 0 0 diagonal is equal to each other. And here 3 cross 3, we see the matrix. So in 3 cross 3 matrix, here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is a diagonal, and here the square matrix. So, and the scalar matrix all are equal to each other. So minus 1 minus 1 to equal, all equal to each other. So this is a scalar matrix in mathematical way. So that's it. So the next one, fourth one, unity or identity matrix. So non-diagonal elements of a square matrix equal to 0 and each diagonal elements are equal to 1. So then the matrix is called a unity matrix or identity. So we take first example 1 cross 1. So it is a square matrix and equal to 0, and here we take 1. So I is equal to 1, and take 2 cross 2, it is also square matrix. So here I2 is equal to, so diagonal elements are equal to 1, and take third one, so 3 cross 3, so I3 is equal to, here the diagonal is equal to 1. So these are the unity matrices. Okay, so that's it. This is a mathematical in this unity and identity, it's called it. So this is called a unity matrix. That's it. And here fifth one, null or zero matrix. The matrix is equal to 0 if each element, in definition, if each element of a matrix is 0, then it is called a 0 or null matrix. For example, take 2 cross 2, here the 0, this matrix is equal to 0, and we take 2 cross 3, all zeros, so this matrix is called a null matrix or 0 matrix. So this is called a null matrix. That's it. Next one, sixth one, row and column matrix. Okay, so for the definition, a matrix which only row is called a row matrix. Okay, and the a matrix is only column is called a column matrix. For example, here 1 3 2 is a row matrix, 1 cross 3, and here 3 cross 1, here 1 2 0 is the only column, means only column matrix. Okay, it's row matrix and column matrix. That's it, very simple. Okay, so the seventh one, here the triangular matrices. In this upper triangle and lower triangular matrices are there. So for example, here 2 cross 2, here minus 3 1 0 4. So in this diagonal below are is equal to 0 is called a upper triangle. Okay, so here 3 4 is a diagonal, and below this 0, then it is called a upper triangle. You see in 3 cross 3, here diagonal is 2 3 1 is a diagonal, below is 0 0 0, 3 zeros are there, so it is also called a upper triangle. And another one is lower triangular. The diagonal above r is equal to 0, it is called a lower triangular. So here take 3 1 4 0. So here the above 3 4 is a diagonal, and above is a 0, so it is called a lower triangular. See in this 2 3 1 is a diagonal, and above is the zeros, so it is called a lower triangle. It is a 3 cross 3, and that one is the 2 cross 2. So this is the triangular matrix. That's it. So the eighth one, rectangular matrix. The definition of matrix: a matrix is number of rows not equal to number of columns. It is called a rectangular matrix. So here 3 cross 2, we have to see 1 2 0 3 and 5 7, it is a matrix, and here 3 rows and 2 columns. So number of rows not equal to number of columns. And here 2 cross 3, another example. Here 1 2 0 0 3 minus 2, it is a 2 cross 3, and here this is also number of rows not equal to number of columns. That's it. This is the rectangular matrix. So this is the, so in this, two rows called by m and columns called by n. So I forgot to tell in first, so I am telling in last. So rows by columns, so rows cross columns. That's it. This is the types of matrix.